We have followed our test on its perilous journey, past pre-analytical pitfalls, through the black box of the analyzer, and past the illusion of the reference range. It has survived. It is correct. It is clinically significant. It is actionable. And now, it vanishes into the abyss. Welcome to the Communication Chasm, the final and in many ways most treacherous gap in the diagnostic chain. This is the last mile problem of medicine, where the right information fails to reach the right person at the right time, with the right context, to trigger the right action. The test didn't fail. The system for conveying its meaning did. Let's follow the result for Mr. Kenji Tanaka. A routine pre-op chest x-ray reveals a 1.5 centimeters pulmonary nodule. The radiologist's report is clear. Finding consistent with possible malignancy. Recommend CT scan for further characterization in 3 months. The report is signed, dictated, and uploaded to the electronic health record, EHR. And here in the digital ether, the chasm opens. The alert, fatigue abyss. The EHR automatically fires an abnormal result notification to the ordering surgeon. But this surgeon gets 80 such alerts daily for slightly low sodiums, minor anemia, old scars. In the deluge, this critical finding becomes background noise. It is acknowledged with a reflexive click, not comprehended. The discontinuity crack. Mr. Tanaka's surgery is completed successfully. His post-op care is handled by the hospitalist team. At discharge, the surgeon, focused on the wound check, forgets the nodule. The hospitalist never saw the radiologist's report. It wasn't flagged in the handoff. The patient transitions back to his primary care physician, PCP, whose inbox has 300 unread messages. The passive reporting void. The system is built on a passive retrieval model. The information sits in a silo, waiting to be found. No human is actively, reliably tasked with saying, "Dr. Smith, your patient, Mr. Tanaka, needs a follow-up CT scan, and here's the order to sign." The responsibility diffuses into the air. 9 months later, Mr. Tanaka sees his PCP for a cough. The PCP, reviewing the record, discovers the old report. The follow-up CT scan now shows metastatic disease. A potentially curable stage eye cancer has become a stage F tragedy, all because of a process failure, not a medical one. This chasm is fed by 3 toxic rivers. Information overload. The sheer volume of data in modern EHRs creates incomprehensible noise. Critical signals are drowned. Fragmented care. Patients see multiple specialists across different healthcare systems with non-communicating records. There is no air traffic controller for their total health data. Ambiguous accountability. Who is responsible for acting on a result? The ordering doc? The specialist who interpreted it? The PCP? In the gaps between assumed responsibilities, patients fall. Bridging the chasm requires moving from passive documentation to active communication. Closed-loop systems. Every significant abnormal result must trigger a mandatory structured process, like a tracking ticket, that isn't closed until a documented action plan is communicated to the patient and reconciled in the record. The signature on file order. Radiologists and pathologists can, where appropriate, automatically generate a follow-up order, like that CT scan, at the time of interpretation, requiring only the primary clinician's co-signature. This reduces the cognitive burden of what to do next. Patient as co-pilot. Direct patient notification of results via portals, coupled with clear, actionable instructions. You have an abnormal finding. Your next step is to schedule a CT. Here's how. Empowered patients are the most reliable safety net. A test result is not a finished product. It is a provocation to action. Its journey is not complete when it is filed. It is complete only when it has been understood, contextualized, and acted upon by a human mind in partnership with the patient. We have spent fortunes on making tests more precise. We must now invest just as fiercely in making their meanings impossible to ignore.